This is a 1971 Super Beetle, Volkswagen, obviously. I bought this car back in 2006, 2007 time frame. Then I moved, sold it to family friends, and then we bought it back this year, a good 11 years later. And I'm starting off where I left off when it comes to the wires. The family friends were going to restore the car with their son, but I guess lost interest, so they didn't do it. It turns out that the generator wire, one of these three wires here, I think it's this one right here, if not plugged in, it will cause the generator not to generate electricity. I think it's a poor design, but I'm sure there's some logic behind it. I got a couple more wires that I need to hook up over here. One is for the fuel gauge. This one up here is for the fuel gauge. But I currently do not have the fuel tank installed. Right now I'm using a little bottle of gas near the engine to run the car. I was hesitant on hooking up the rest of the wires down here and this stuff up here because I wanted to paint the inside of the front of the car. I want to sandblast it and then paint it eventually. And so I was holding off on installing all this because I don't want the wires to get all messed up. But maybe I'll have to put some plastic around the wires or something like that to prevent them from getting paint all over them. Let's see, what else do I want to tell you about this? Oh, so the reason why I'm doing this right now, these few wires here, is because the generator wasn't generating power, and it looks like it's doing it now. I guess it needs the resistance of the lamp there, or maybe it gets some power there or something, I don't know. But that's where I'm at. I think I just flooded the engine, so figured I'd make a video for you and let the engine sit for a little while so we can start it back up and see how it goes.